Hey everybody, it's Chris from CDornerFitness. Welcome to my channel. We have so much fun here doing live and pre-recorded daily workouts that you can do sometimes anywhere, but mostly meant for you to do at home or at the gym. If you haven't been here before, welcome to my channel. I am so grateful that you stopped by, and if you've been with me for a while, I appreciate you. I want to give you just a few tips on how you could use my channel and how you can navigate it and my website so you can find exactly what you're looking for. Every Sunday, I post a brand new schedule of workouts for the upcoming week. This is posted on my website, on the YouTube community tab, on my channel, on Instagram, and on Facebook. But if you sign up for my email list at CDornerFitness.com, you will get it straight to your inbox the day before it's posted to the socials. So I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. People always ask me, Chris, do you have a workout program that I can follow? And the answer is yes. Every week when I post my schedule, that is your program. The 9 a.m. workouts are set up like a program. So you're doing strength training 3 days a week and cardio 2 to 3 times a week. Now, you will see that I also offer step classes at 12 p.m. Mondays and Wednesdays. And those are more of like a supplement if you don't like the class that's offered for cardio on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So for example, say you don't like HIIT or you don't like dance. You can always go and choose something else or go to step from the day before. But I want you to remember, it's not all about the cardio. You have to get that weight training in as well. So let's get into some things that will help you navigate my channel and my website so we can set you up for success.
So first we're going to start out at my website, CDornerFitness.com, and this will be super helpful for you if you are looking to find out more about the workout program. Okay, every week I update this and it tells you what workouts are what time, how long each workout is, if it's live or if it's pre-recorded, and also in the descriptions what you need for each workout. So make sure you check this out each week. Also, if you scroll all the way up to the top, you can go to the About Me page. You can shop equipment. That will bring you to my Amazon store, which also has a lot of other really cool things. Merchandise like Louis mugs, yoga mats, CDorner Fitness tank tops, and fun things like that. Where you can contact me, where you can join my email list, coupon codes for all kinds of fun things, and upcoming events. There's also a link right here where you can send some support to my channel. Okay, so next we're gonna go over to my YouTube channel, and I wanted to show you some things that have changed recently within the YouTube interface. And the interface is how you interact with the website itself, okay? So when you come here, you'll see there's these little tabs right here, and I'm gonna show you how to use those. But first, make sure you hit subscribe, and there's a link to my website right here. Okay, so the home page has this video that you're about to watch. Also, it will have the upcoming live stream right here. And if we were live, you would see the video that is live featured right here. Then here you see the past live streams, and I have put here a bunch of my step aerobics playlists, so they're easy for you to find. Now, one thing that has changed since the last video I shot for you is the videos tab. This used to have every single one of my videos from newest to oldest. Just so you know, now this is only showing uploaded videos now. It is not showing the live videos. So you will have to go to the live tab to find those now. Okay, so if you know that my video was live this morning, you will go there and they will be here on this page from newest to oldest. If you know the video from this morning was pre-recorded, it will be in the videos tab. Okay, so that is a little bit confusing now, but just now you know how to find it. Okay, now there's this new tab here called Shorts. That's just kind of fun stuff. These are under 1 minute videos. That's where I post my step choreography on Fridays, where you can see Amanda doing the bonus jump, Kevin eating oatmeal, and me chopping wood. So this is just kind of fun stuff, nothing important, but if you want to be entertained, check it out. Now, here is one thing that has changed, and I've gotten a lot of questions about it. Playlist page. People have recently been telling me they could not find certain playlists. If you go over here and you're pressing across, it only brings up about 15 of my playlists. So you want to click on this, which doesn't really look clickable, but if you press created playlists, it will bring all of my playlists up. Okay, so say you think the mobility playlist is missing, make sure that you click on created playlists and they are all right here. Next, the community tab. That is where I post fitness tips. I let you know about events that are coming up, and also my schedule is posted here every Sunday morning. Next tab, store tab, which is where you can find some fun CDornerFitness merch, like I'd rather be doing step aerobics tank tops, Louis mats, and more. Channels. Channels is where I feature some people that I like to work out with, and maybe some other things, some people that I support. So check that out as well. Next, about. Check it out. You can find what you need to find out about me and why I'm doing my YouTube channel and more. Now, one last thing. You'll see here there's another arrow, because the search button used to be right here and it's not. You have to arrow over and there's the search button. So say you're looking for step aerobics, you type that in and it's going to bring up step aerobics.
I hope this video helped you to understand how to get around my channel and how to find the workouts that you're looking for, and also how to check out everything that's offered on my website. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below on the video and I'd be happy to answer them, because guess what? You might not be the only one with that question. Remember, enjoy your workouts, always do your best, and just keep moving. I appreciate you watching and I appreciate you being with me. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you to the best community there is. Bye-bye.